we all are here to do something new, something different in our class. So, as you saw just my slide, happiness in mathematics. See the smiling faces, and few of you will say, "Ma'am, what are you talking about? Happiness in mathematics." They both are opposite terms. We can't see any happiness in mathematics because we do mathematics only for like a burden. We do this math, and we don't find any kind of happiness in that. No, bachi. Today we'll talk about how can you get happiness. So first, before going for that, कि how can you get happiness in mathematics? Just see this me. Maximum time you all have this complaint. कि okay, ma'am, I am still waiting for the day that I will actually use these all things in real life. So you all say daily, ma'am, where do we use this? Where do you use this? Why we are doing maths? Why we are doing maths? Huh? तो बच्चे for you people I'll explain कि as you will go for higher studies, higher classes, that time you will realize कि these all things, these all concept you will be using even for minor functions in our day to day life. हाँ तो but still I have seen so many students this post on many students wall. What they say? Dear Mass, I am sick and tired of finding your ex. Just accept the fact that she is gone. Move on, dude. Means, like every time you have something for maths that is ki okay, maths is difficult, you don't like maths and this blah blah blah. And one more meme I have for you because I know you all say this thing. Dear maths, please grow up and solve your own problems. I am tired of solving them for you. That means every time you say कि no, we are tired of doing maths. So फिर again you'll say, ma'am, where is that happiness you were talking about? These are our common queries. These are the common things we used to say. No, just see my next meme. Just see this meme. And before reading it, just see the face of this person, how much happy if we can see he is. So what is saying? This is how I feel every time I find out how to solve a math problem. It means whenever we know any solution, any question, if suppose your teacher has given you in a test and then you realize, oh, you know this problem. Wow. So that time you feel so much happiness. Yeah, like this you can get happiness. One more meme for you. Just see the dance move of our beer. Huh? What is saying? When you finally understand something in maths, it means okay, when we feel yeah, I know this math, I know this question, whatever ma'am is talking about, yeah, whatever ma'am has given in test, so you feel like dancing like this. So today I want all of you will do this dance move after solving whatever we will be discussing here in our next slides. So now answer of your first question कि ma'am, where do we use all knowledge we do in classes in maths period in our daily life? तो बच्चे just see today's topic. This is so simple way of calculating some multiplications, and then you will realize कि yeah, in daily life you can use while shopping, while doing calculation for your parents or blah 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 blah. So first trick we will do squaring of number ending with 5. For an example, we have find the square of 65. Square means we have to multiply the same number 2 times. Okay, so 65 multiplied by 65. If you will go for normal calculation, तो बच्चे you will be doing in 3 steps. Huh? But here, how can we learn? How can we learn? तो for it बच्चे we have trick कि what will you do? You will just multiply this unit place digits. Huh? 5 5 are 25. Okay, and then for this our digits at the left hand side, you just increase 1, you just increase 1. uh, now I am doing this thoda sa lighter so that you can see. Yes, Now digit on this, just increase 1 to it. It will become 7. ठीक है, तो 6 7 जा 42. This is my calculation. One more example so that you can understand more. Find the square of 75. So as I told you here, just do multiply in unit digits. Unit digit 5 5 जा 25 बेटे, तो 5 5 जा 25 and you have to add 1 to it, so it will become 8 बच्चे. So now do multiply 8 7 जा 56. Feeling happy? Yeah, you understood everything? Huh? So like this we can do multiply of like square of numbers which are ending with 5. Now one question must be arising in your heads. Ki ma'am, is it possible when digits, like when the numbers are ending with 5 or somewhere else we can use? Yeah, we can use at one more place. Where? Just see. Just see bache this number. Here you can see ki okay, what is similarity in these numbers? Just see. Their left hand side digits, they are same. 10 10 9 9 5 5. So condition is our left side digit must be same, but our unit place digit at right hand side, they must be sum up as 10. 6 4 6 4 10, 7 3 10, 9 1 10, 9 1 10. So such type of numbers you can multiply by same trick. So what will you do? First you will do multiply at unit place. 6 4 जा 24, 24. ठीक है, and then you have to increase 1. So what will happen? 6 7 जा 42. Is it clear? Just see, our answer is correct. Wow, our answer is correct. Now do again for these numbers. 3 7 ja 21. Just do. 21. Okay, increase 1 to it. 11 10 ja 110. Now see your answer. Yeah, our answer is correct. But for this number, okay, we can say 9 1 just 9 and we will increase 1 to it, so it will become 10. But bache, one thing, if we are getting one number only, like 9 1 ja 9, only one number we are getting, है ना? So in such cases, like here तो we'll do the same. 10 9 ja 90. ठीक है बेटे, अब 9 1 जा 9, 9 1 जा 9. But you see, this is 3 digit number. But we know कि if we are multiplying 2 digit with 2 digit, so it must be 4 digit number. So what is this? So we put 0 from our side. Now this calculation is done. So that means when you will multiply this both number, you will get this. Check answer. Wow, great. Now same here, do it. So if we do 6 here, yeah, तो 5 6 या 30, है ना? And here 9 1 ja 9, but you will write 0 9. Check answer. So what all things you have observed? In normal multiplication we always move from right to left, है ना? ऐसे करते हैं calculation. But in this way you can do left to right, right to left. It's totally your choice. Oh, and only in one step you are able to do this calculation. So now one exercise for you people. Just note down these questions and do it and answer it quickly in chat box or in comment box. 45 into 45, 95 into 95, 111 to 119, 107 to 103.